Today we're taking a look at the Geode Domain Name Service, great little app that just came out. We're going to do a quick walkthrough. You're going to find this app under the Accounts tab at the Geode portal, and from there go to Geode DNS. There are 5 simple things you can do here. You can register any domain name you like, up to 300 characters. Just enter the domain name, submit, and sign the transaction. Now that's automatically going to point that domain to you as the owner. If you want to point that domain to a different account on Geode, you can enter the domain name and point it to any account that you like. Submit and sign the transaction. Let's suppose later down the road you would like to sell or give that domain to somebody else. You can do that and transfer the domain ownership to any new owner on the Geode ecosystem. In terms of looking up a domain to see if it's available or where it's pointing, you can look up domain address. That's going to show you the public key address where that domain points right now, if anywhere. If it doesn't point anywhere, it'll tell you it's available. Or you can look up the domain by owner, putting in the domain name to see if it has an owner, and if so, who. So these are the things you can do with the Geode Domain Name Service. So get on there, claim your domains now. It doesn't cost anything extra beyond the usual few thousandths of a Geode in terms of transaction fees. So grab the domains that you're interested in today. If you don't have a Geode account yet, make one first, and we will see you on chain.